If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making GOTA SOLA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, black pepper and black cardamom in a blender and blend to make powder of it, from which we need about 2 tablespoons of that. Then 1 cup of whole Bengal gram, 2 tablespoons of jaggery or gur, a tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing, a quarter cup of grated coconut, and some salt to taste. Now traditionally, these are made in earthen pots in Lord Jagannath temple. So to show you all, I am using the same. But you can make it in any pan that you have. Don't have to be specific about it. Now place this on medium flame and first add about 3 cups of water, followed by all the haldi, salt, hing and the powder. Now mix it up really well. Then add all the bhutta or chana. Now over medium flame, cover it with a lid and let it simmer till almost all the moisture is gone and it's completely cooked. And it's perfect. So now we can add all the gur and grated coconut. Now combine these really well and wait for a couple of minutes, then switch off the flame. And it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, GOTA SOLA. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.